everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm going to be trying the latest lip glosses from Essence Cosmetics, which are called Juice Bomb Shiny Lip Glosses. I have 4 different shades right in front of me. I'll quickly show you how they look like. So packaging wise, they look like this. So yeah, I'll be trying those on my lips today and just see on how they're going to perform. This comes in 6 different shades, but I was able to get only these 4. So let's go ahead and start trying them on. What else should you know about this? They retail for 99 cents each, which is quite affordable. They are made in Poland, and we're getting 10 milliliters of product for each tube. So let's go ahead and start trying them on. So they said the back here that they are non-stick, which is quite lovely. If you guys been following me the longest, you know how much I don't like stick lip glosses. So I'm already excited to try this and to see how they're going to perform on the lips. So let's go ahead and of course try them. So the first one, it said it does have a dragon fruit scent. So this one here, which is of course the first lip gloss that I'm going to be trying. It's just like a clear, this one here really, and the shade name is called 01 Proud Pitaya. All right, let's go ahead and swatch this one. First of all, I'm going to actually put it on my hand so you guys can see. Okay, so it is just like a clear you know, lip gloss right there. Oh, that smells really, really good, you guys. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and pop this on the lips. So what we're expecting is that shiny and also non-stick, which will be wonderful. Ooh. Alright, so this is how this shade looks like. Of course, you won't see any color. It's just a clear, like I already said. But so far, I like, you know, the glossiness that comes, you know, through there. And surprisingly, it's not actually sticky at all, which is quite lovely. That is nice. That is nice. Definitely, it sticks to what it says here when it says, you know, non-stick. So yeah, they're definitely non-stick. And they smell very fruity, which is quite lovely. So this is of course the first shade, you guys. All right, the next shade, it's called 02 Lovely Raspberry, which of course comes in this packaging right here. So that is how the packaging looks like of this one here, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. First of all, let's give it a swatch and just see. Okay, so this is again, it looks like clear, but you can see a little bit of more like sparkle to it actually, you know, just a tiny bit. Anyway, let's pop it on the lips. Oops. So fruity. Oh yeah, this smells really good, you guys. Okay, this is of course 02 Lovely Raspberry. Again, there's no color. I mean, you can even see, you know, in the tube there, it looks like almost like a baby kind of pink you know, finish, but on the lips doesn't really show much there. So but I can see a bit of sparkle, just a little bit there, compared to the first one that I tried, which was completely clear. So far so good. The smell, it's absolutely beautiful. It's so fruity. Oh yeah, that is really, really good. So yeah, I'm happy with this one again. And actually, I just tasted it now in my mouth. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but it's just when there, it's pretty sweet. Ooh. All right, you guys, anyway, let's take this one off and pop on the next shade, which is of course this one called 03 Sweet Peach. All right, does have a peach scent to it, which is this one right here. Again, I have a feeling that the color won't show on my lips. Let's have a look. Maybe it will show. I don't know. Yeah, on my hand it looks like that. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see a little bit like a tint of color there. I mean, with this one here, probably you can see on my hand like a little bit of you know, pinkish or something like that, the color. Ooh, this one, Okay, this one smells a little bit interesting, not really in a peach kind of flavor. Smells a little bit more, a little bit strong, sweet peach, 03 sweet peach. Smells a little bit strong for my liking, but anyway, let's try it on the lips. So here we have this sweet peach number 3, which of course looks like this on. To me, I can't really tell the difference between this one and number 2. In all honesty, like there's not even a single tint of color there. It's just like a clear to me. I mean, at least on my chocolate skin. I'm not sure if you guys can see any color like as it shows in the, you know, in its tube over here, but on my lips it's just like completely clear. But anyway, this is how it looks like. One thing I don't like about this one is the scent. I think it's a little bit strong for my liking, and it doesn't smell like sweet peach. I mean, I know how sweet peach supposed to smell like. I do have some, you know, some other flavors with sweet peach, and that smells really nice and sweet and just lovely. But this one, it's just a little bit strong. It's almost like a lot of chemicals or something like that. But anyway, I don't like the scent. The scent definitely puts me off. It is time for 04 Crazy Cherry, which looks like this now. Of course, we can see the color of this one here. The question is this going to be exactly as it shows here on my lips? Let's find out with this shade here. First of all, I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Oh yeah, this one here we have, we can definitely see the color there. You can see compared to the other ones. Yeah, this one we have a tint of like reddish there. So let's pop it on the lips and have a look. Probably this one will be lucky for the color. And straight away I can definitely see something. So let's continue. They are really juicy, you guys. And the name says it, you know. Oh, okay. So with this one here, that is how it looks like. Now I can definitely see, you know, a bit of like a tint on my lips. Definitely you can see compared to the other 3. I think we have a bit of like reddish to pinkish, you know, showing through on the lips there. And I have to say that I do love the scent of this one, which is of course a 04 Crazy Cherry. This one smells quite lovely and very fruity and quite sweet. And the scent is not too overpowering compared to you know, to 03 that I just tried before this. So I'm happy with this one here, and again it's not sticky at all, which is quite lovely. So overall they are definitely not sticky lip glosses, at least. I mean, probably, you know, everybody, they will have like a different say when they try a product, but I find for me they're not sticky compared to a lot of other lip glosses that I have tried in the past. Definitely this one, they pass the stickiness, which is quite lovely. So I'm happy with this scent again. And so far, you know, we have, what is it, we have of course number, you know, 01, 02 and 04. This of course 3 here, they just like really lovely, you know, even though I cannot tell the difference between this one and this one here on my lips, which is of course number 3, the one that I don't like the scent. Other than that, I am happy with these 3 here. I love the scent, and the middle one here, definitely the color does show up, which is quite lovely. 03 Sweet Peach, yeah, this one I don't think I'll be reaching for this one again, just because of its scent. It's a little bit overpowering for me, so I would definitely put this one away, but the other 3 would definitely be using them. And overall, I'm very happy with the you know, the shininess that they of course give to the lips. You guys can definitely see that. So if you do have like dry lips, I think these will be perfect for that. Just like put a little bit, you don't have to overdo it like I did. I think I just wanted to show you guys how, you know, they will look like if you put more, but you can always just put a little bit, and this will definitely keep your lips nice and moisturized. And yeah, they feel quite comfortable, not too heavy on the lips, which is quite nice. So yeah, these 3 will be definitely using them. This one can go and rest somewhere else. Won't be reaching for that one. because I don't like the scent, like I already said. Anyway, you guys, what do you think of these lip glosses? Let me know in the comment section below your thoughts about them. Have you tried them? If you have, which one is your favorite? I would love to know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, definitely smash that like button, and if you are not yet part of this family, please, what are you waiting for? Join the family. I would love to have you here. I do post a lot of videos like this, you know, affordable products, sometimes high-end products as well. We do skincare, we do makeup, we do reviews, we do advent calendar unboxing, we do it all. So join the family and ring your bell so you're notified when I upload a new exciting video. All right, everyone, go have a good one. Thank you so much for watching this one. Take care, and I shall catch you all lovely people on my next video. All right, bye for now.